ITECS Group is a business group that provides specialized engineering and design services for high-tech sectors. ITECS Group complies with demanding quality standards and environmental protection procedures in all its activities. ITECS provides answers to your industrial requirements. At present, the group is made up of 4 companies whose main aim is to offer satisfaction through quality services. ITECS Group is a benchmark name in engineering and industrial design. ITM specializes in the design, manufacture and startup of projects and facilities for surface treatment and paint treatments for all kinds of industries. ITM is active in a wide range of industries: aeronautics, automotive, building, electricity, railways. ITM seeks success by looking into all of our customers' production processes and presenting a project suited to their real needs and their potential for growth. The highly experienced team of professionals at ITM ensures that the facilities are perfectly assembled and finished, as well as offering efficient, customer-committed after-sales services. ITECMA provides comprehensive, feasible solutions to reduce the impact of pollutants on the environment by designing new facilities and recommending adjustments to existing facilities. Actions are addressed to reducing emissions and waste from the source, using specific, comprehensive plans for each case. The pioneering methodology used in projects is backed by the experience of a team of qualified professionals in the field of industrial environmental protection. ITECMA also offers waste evaluation facilities with state-of-the-art technology. Sustainability is a fundamental part of the technical concerns in every design produced by ITECMA, where the emphasis is on renewable, eco-friendly energy sources that are also profitable for our customers. In this way, ITECMA allows customers to position themselves within the so-called clean and eco-friendly company sector. Additionally, ITECMA gives customers the chance to carry out an analysis of their compliance with current legislation and standards, identifying critical levels and indicating strategies and actions to be implemented or alternative investment plans. InClimaval carries out air conditioning, plumbing, pipelines, firefighting systems and power station projects. It also performs high-quality assemblies for industry. Some of the company's most high-profile jobs include the air conditioning installation for the passenger terminal in Ciudad Real's new Central Airport and for the Albocácer Penitentiary Center in Castellón Province. Lastly, ITSA is an engineering firm involved in industrial automation, providing comprehensive solutions designed specifically for each customer. It is backed by a specialized team of professionals with extensive experience in the trade. ITSA offers complete turnkey solutions. ITECS Group is therefore a global solutions provider for industry. Thanks to growth and diversification in recent years, this group is now a benchmark name in innovative engineering and applied technology for industry. Customer trust is the driving force behind innovation at ITECS. ITECS Group.